Want to study MS in Business Analytics in the US and have a low GPA? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we have this new advanced technique called Flamingo Technique, which will help you land your dream B school. Wondering what it is? It's not the bird, but this is a technique which you can't afford to lose at any cost. 70% of our students were able to get into their dream B school using the Flamingo Technique. Do you think money is the most crucial factor while starting a new business? Then it would be best if you thought again. Hi, I'm Vanessa, and today we are going to talk about Masters in Business Analytics in the US. Any fool can increase their labor hours for more money, but smart people find ways to decrease labor hours and make more money. This is exactly the work of a business analyst. He bridges the gap between IT and the business to assess, analyze, and deliver data-driven recommendations. Many countries offer excellent programs in MS and Business Analytics. So, what are the benefits of studying in the US for international students? What are the top universities for business analytics and course durations, job opportunities, and average salaries? There are 4 benefits about studying in the US which will amaze you. Number 1, quality of education. Many schools in the US hold a lot of weight when it comes to universal recognition. The Ivy League is an excellent example of this. Attending a school like MIT Sloan offers global name recognition along with strong alumni networks that span across the globe. Number 2, better research opportunities. Colleges in the US offer abundant resources to provide students with sophisticated technologies, equipment, and infrastructure to conduct in-depth research. Number 3, American culture. It is often said that American society is the epitome of freedom, fun, and opportunity. Studying in the US can give you opportunities to learn and know about other cultures and share your culture with your international friends. Number 4, help and support to international students. It is challenging for international students to adhere or get accustomed to the new student life in a foreign university. Most US universities provide useful guidance and support to all the students, whether it is related to accommodation, visa status, career opportunities, etc. Here's what you don't know about the top 5 universities in the US that could be a game changer for you. My personal choice is number 4 because of its brand name and global recognition. Do let us know your personal preferences and why you're targeting that college in the comment section below. Number 1, UCLA Anderson course, Masters of Science in Business Analytics, duration 15 months. Admission criteria, US equivalent 4-year undergraduate degree, GMAT, GRE, IELTS or TOEFL. Average salary, $100,000. Top recruiters, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, LinkedIn, PwC. Number 2, Texas McCombs course, Master of Science in Business Analytics, duration 10 months. Admission bachelor's degree, GMAT or GRE, IELTS or TOEFL. Average salary $87,000. Top recruiters of the school are Dell, Deloitte, Toyota Connected, IBM, and Walmart. Number 3, Minnesota Carlson course, Masters of Science in Business Analytics, duration 12 months. Admission criteria, 4-year US bachelor's degree, GMAT or GRE, TOEFL or IELTS or PTE. Average salary $97,000. The top recruiters of this school include Amazon, Google, Deloitte, Microsoft, and Facebook. Number 4, MIT Sloan, Masters of Business Analytics program, duration 12 months. Admission criteria, bachelor's degree, GMAT or GRE, IELTS or TOEFL. Average salary $110,000. Top recruiters include Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google, McKinsey & Co. Number 5, USC Marshall, Masters of Science in Business Analytics, duration 3 semesters. Admission criteria, 4-year bachelor degree or master's degree, GMAT or GRE, IELTS or TOEFL. The top recruiters include Amazon, Airbnb, Facebook, Bank of America, and Deloitte. Now, speaking of the job opportunities, once you are done with your Masters of Science in Business Analytics, you're all set to explore the corporate world. If you are wondering what to expect from Masters in Business Analytics from a career perspective, here's a list of fields that open up: Data Scientist, Research Scientist, Analytics Associate, Business Intelligence Engineer, Machine Learning Scientist. Now, coming to the Flamingo Technique, which will change the way you think about applying to a college. The Flamingo strategy is so good that almost 70% of the students were able to get into their dream colleges. For Flamingo Technique to work, we need to create, number 1, an alibi. An alibi states the reason for the low GPA. Since ADCOM members are humans, they will understand a few valid reasons like extracurricular activities. If a person has participated in a lot of extracurricular activities, it puts a thought in the minds of ADCOMs that maybe the person was busy achieving a lot of other vital things in life and so couldn't focus much on studies. Physical elements. Creating an alibi in such a way that ADCOM believes that the person did the best he could given his current physical elements. These elements could be anything like unavailability of resources, started working to support family, etc. Health issue. This is used to depict that the person has some health issues due to which he could not achieve a lot academically, but given a chance, he might do wonders. Number 2. Choosing your colleges wisely. This is where a lot of thought is put into. Some colleges do not accept candidates who have less than 70% in their UG, so picking out colleges which do not have such criteria could do wonders for your application. Number 3. GMAT or GRE. Getting a decent score on GMAT or GRE also improves your chances of getting into a college, as it is one of the crucial factors even if you have a low GPA. A decent GMAT or GRE score can boost up your application and increase your chances of getting into a college. MSBA has helped several students to get into best of universities. Let us know if you have any queries regarding any particular topic in the comment section below. Now, if you are planning to pursue your Masters in Business Analytics from the US, you can take a free profile evaluation, the link of which is given in the description box below. With this, we would like to end our video. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel MSBA or click on the bell icon for similar fantastic videos and stay tuned for more. So until next time, this is Vanessa signing out.